तो जब आप कोई मार्केटिंग कैंपेन या कुछ एग्जीक्यूट करते हो,
Hmm.
व्हाट मेक्स यू हैप्पी एंड व्हाट मेक्स द क्लाइंट
So, what makes us happy is if we are able to create something
हैप्पी?
that people genuinely resonate with and people genuinely engage with, या genuinely लोगों को पसंद आ रहा है, वो naturally organically share कर रहे हैं. And that doesn't necessarily have to be memes or brain rot content or anything. Of course that is something that is working right now on social media at a huge level, but it's not necessarily कि वही सिर्फ बनाना है. Of course meme content that is not crass also works really well. So what makes us happy is that. And clients, of course, most clients, they want to see the brand and the product right at the forefront. Whereas as customers, that's not something that they are very keen on seeing कि ये इस brand से आए, इस product से आए. Of course, if you're giving them value for money and value for whatever they are engaging with, then they will. Like a very recent example is one national brand that we work with. There was a film we did for Holi last year in 2025. And that idea was initially, it was like on a social cause. So पहले वो थोड़ा approval में अटक गया था. But we as an agency, of course, believed in the idea. So we pushed it a lot. We pushed it a lot, after 2, 3 rounds, and then it kind of went ahead. And when it released, it was a low cost production, but it did really well. And it got picked up by a lot of national blogs, marketing publications, etc. And it got really organic views. Even funnily enough, creators from Pakistan and all of these places, where they do those reaction videos. तो वो सब कुछ reaction videos भी उस particular ad film के लिए बाहर आए कि top Holi campaigns this year, and people were reacting to that campaign. So and yeah, I mean we shot that in Calcutta and it did really well.
जनरली जो हम लोगों को एज अ कंज्यूमर पता होता है, वी कैन गेस कि दो तरह का गोल हो सकता है. एक होता है कि उनको चाहिए सेल्स सेल्स बढ़े, दूसरा चाहिए कि अवेयरनेस बढ़े. आर देयर अदर थिंग्स एज वेल कि जो हम लोगों को नहीं पता एज अ नॉर्मल पर्सन?
Of course, as an agency and as a brand, there are a lot of metrics we look into. Matlab, it's not awareness is of course one of them, and everything works on numbers. So sales, of course, is the primary driver at the top of it. People want sales, तभी budgets आएंगे and revenue आएगा and everything else. But um, in order to get that, whether it's an offline brand, primarily offline brand or an online brand, there are a lot of different things that go about it. And more than a lot of things about awareness, we also look at sentiment. So आप आज के डेट में इस ब्रांड का क्या सेंटिमेंट है मार्केट में, या आप अगर कोई कैंपेन चला रहे हो, प्री कैंपेन क्या सेंटिमेंट था, पोस्ट कैंपेन क्या सेंटिमेंट है. Is there an uptick in the numbers that you're saying, whether it's awareness, whether it's sales, whether it's revenue? Are people actually talking about it? And more than that, I think क्या होता है कि अगर आप एक अच्छा कैंपेन कर रहे हो and people are moving towards the brand, then what happens is that people start automatically sharing stuff around it or positives about the brand. And that's what makes a difference. It's not always about कि चलो मैंने एक फिल्म बना दिया और फिर उसको इतने लोगों तक पहुंचा दिया and people are not able to resonate with it, तो कुछ भी नहीं होगा.
बहुत सारे ब्रांड हैं जो still haven't changed their logos from years. Don't do too much marketing. Are sells like crazy. What are they doing right?
See, these brands are either legacy brands which have been there. You always read that the most boring businesses make the most money. And a lot of these B2B businesses है, चाहे आप aluminium frames ले लो या UPVC ले लो, a lot of these brands make a lot of money. I think what works for them is that they have been able to understand the market and create the right product market fit. तो आप बोलो कि हमने कुछ ऐसा बनाया है जो लोगों को चाहिए ही चाहिए, चाहे रिपीट हो चाहे नहीं हो. एंड क्या होता है आज के डेट में, हम जो भी ब्रांड सोशल मीडिया पे देख रहे हैं, डिजिटली देख रहे हैं, they are pretty much catering to only the India A, as we call it, the cities, the metros and everything else. But उसके नीचे एक बहुत बड़ा मार्केट है which we forget. And as consumers, हम और आप सोचते हैं कि अरे ये ब्रांड तो बहुत अच्छा कर रहा होगा. There are a lot of such brands, on social media, on quick commerce platforms, on B2C platforms, on Amazon. They they look that they're doing really well. It seems like they're doing really well, but when you look under the hood, they're actually not. The numbers don't add up. But at the same time, there are a lot of these businesses who are legacy businesses who probably have a very uh, old school way of thinking, but they're still doing well because what they are doing right is they've got their distribution right, they've got their channel partners right, they've got their retail right, and they're doing really well. And logo आज के डेट में there are brands that are changing their logo, legacy brands like a Jaguar or a lot of these brands have shifted, they've changed their logos and they've moved to a newer thing. But उससे क्या आपका परसेप्शन चेंज हो रहा है, क्या आपका प्रोडक्ट चेंज हो रहा है, लोग का जो डिमांड है वो चेंज हो रहा है? वो नहीं हो रहा है। वो ऑफ कोर्स व्हाट व्हाई ब्रांड्स आर डूइंग इट बिकॉज़ दे वांट टू स्टे विद टाइम। दे आर डूइंग logos, they're doing rebranding exercises so that they can fit into the current market scenario. They've seen most of the luxury brands who have had legacy logos, like Burberry or all of them have changed their logos to fit the current market scenario. But ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है कि उससे इनका ऑफ कोर्स एक मार्केट परसेप्शन चेंज होता है, बट जो सेल्स नंबर्स हैं, ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स, दे ultimately boil down to whether or not people are able to resonate with what they are doing at that point in time. And these legacy brands will stick. आज के डेट में अगर आप देखो, a lot of the new brands have come up. They come up, they are there in the market for some time and then they disappear. Because वो connection build नहीं कर पा रहे over time. And that is something that we are also struggling with, because if you see legacy brands, they have a big pipeline, they have understanding, उनको पता है कि क्या कर सकते हैं, and of course they have that kind of people also. But नए वाले brands ज़्यादातर कल के बारे में या 2-3 महीने आगे के बारे में सोचते हैं, बट लॉन्ग टर्म गेम क्या है वो आपको सोच के अगर आप अपना पूरा का पूरा मार्केटिंग उस हिसाब से ट्यून करो, then you will have that advantage that you can take forward.
ओके अंकित, अगर कोई नया ब्रांड है जिसके पास मार्केटिंग बजट तो है ही नहीं क्योंकि इतना नया ब्रांड है वो, ठीक है, वो सोशल मीडिया के अलावा शुरुआत में क्या कर सकता है? कोई 3 टिप्स